মাদার টোস্ট, মাদার টোস্ট উত্তরা থেকে এসেছি কিন্তু খেতে। ফ্রম উত্তরা উইথ লাভ।
Go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, you like it, don't you?
Excellent.
Is it a paid review?
No, I came from Uttara by a rickshaw and often come here because the food is awesome and the owners are really good. And trust me, they know their hot dogs.
Oh, that means a lot to us.
And to all those haters, stay in your house, keep calm, and make sure that your mouth rolls when you see this.
Absolutely surreal, is it not?
I mean, I can eat hot dog for days if it's these hot dogs. You guys might have a question. What type of a nut comes from Uttara by a rickshaw to eat hot dogs? Well, it takes a special type of nut to be a foodie. And when the taste is so good, trust me, the rickshaw ride to and back is worth it.
So what do you say? Is it worth the money?
It's worth the money and the rickshaw fare to and from Uttara.
So what is basically happening inside your mouth? Is it teasing you enough?
It's like an orgasm whenever you put it inside your mouth.
Woohoo! That's the statement, boy.
This shit is good. Perfect hot dogs. I need some more sauce. The sauce is amazing.
Iman, আর একটু sauce দাও তো?
It's not the regular tomato ketchup you usually have in restaurants. They have infused naga and most likely Indian spices. Like this subcontinent is quite well known for spices. And the sauce, even the smallest detail, the slightest detail, it's amazing. If you think KFC and McDonald's is finger looking good, then this shit chete pute খেয়ে দিতে হবে। It's not a paid review at all.
Is it spicy?
Mm-hmm.
You ordered spicy, right?
Yeah. They usually have 3 types of flavors. In terms of spice, low, mid, and extreme. This is extreme, but the spice is so well blended, it doesn't take over the other tastes that you have inside this hot dog. And that's one thing we should keep in mind, because the taste is always balanced. It is not overpowered or overkilled by the spice level. That's the beauty of these hot dogs.
Any last words?
Yes. You haven't eaten hot dogs if you haven't come to Tongue Teasers. Trust me on this. Shit is good.
So where's the Tongue Teasers?
It's pretty easy to find. Usually, the most easiest way to locate Tongue Teasers is to go to facebook.com/the Tongue Teasers BD. They are in Instagram. You can Google them out. They're in Food Panda, Hungry Naki, and Shahoj, as far as I know, and also Pathao. It's right besides the Khanas Clubhouse. I mean, it's in the gully of, it's in the alley of Metro Kitchen. And there's another so-called premium burger joint here. I will not take names, but it's okay. Not, the taste does not beat these hot dogs. This shit is good.
Alright guys, it's the Tongue Teasers, order down.